comes to dating, most people focus on looks, but the real magic often lies in how you speak and the tone of your voice. Because people don't just remember what you said, they remember how you made them feel when you said it. Today, let's talk about how your tone and speaking style can make a big difference in dating. Imagine walking into a cafe for a first date. You've chosen your outfit, maybe practiced a few conversation starters, but as you sit down, there's something more subtle at play: your voice. The way you greet your date, the warmth in your words, and even the silence between sentences all send signals that go beyond appearance. Your tone is a powerful force that shapes first impressions within seconds, often determining whether someone feels safe, excited, or even drawn to you. Let's start with the power of your voice. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. A warm, genuine tone builds trust and comfort. It's the difference between being approachable and coming across as distant. Think about meeting someone new and hearing the words, "Hey, how are you?" If those words are spoken with warmth and genuine interest, it feels inviting, like someone is truly happy to see you. But if you say the same words with a flat, cold tone, it's just another greeting, easily forgotten, easily dismissed. Your tone is the emotional color you paint each word with. A lively, bright tone makes you seem optimistic and engaged. A soft, gentle tone makes people feel cared for. In contrast, an aggressive or monotone voice can create distance, making the other person feel unwelcome or even uncomfortable. In dating, those first few sentences can set the stage for everything that follows. It's not just about sounding pleasant, it's about making the other person feel something special. Next, let's talk about speaking style, the pace, emphasis, and pauses that shape every conversation. First, slow down. When we're nervous, it's easy to rush our words, trying to fill every silence or avoid awkward pauses. But speaking too fast creates tension. It can make you seem anxious or uninterested, and it's hard for the other person to keep up or feel at ease. A slower, steady rhythm helps people relax. It signals confidence and lets your words sink in. Picture yourself saying, "I'm really glad to see you." If you rush through it, it might sound insincere, almost like you're checking off a box. But when you slow down and add a slight pause, "I'm really glad to see you," the emotion feels stronger, more heartfelt. Your date is more likely to believe you, to sense your genuine excitement. Emphasis is another powerful tool. By highlighting keywords, you make your message more memorable. Imagine saying, "It was such an amazing evening." If you emphasize amazing, stretching it just enough, your enthusiasm becomes contagious. You're not just describing the evening, you're sharing your feelings, inviting the other person to join you in that emotion. Pauses, too, are your friends. A short pause can make your words more powerful, giving the other person a moment to process, react, and feel the weight of what you've said. For example, try saying, "You know what? Talking to you really makes me feel good." That small pause after "you know what" creates anticipation. It turns a simple statement into something meaningful, something that stands out. But it's not just your voice that matters. Your tone should match your body language. If your words are positive but your voice is tense, the other person senses a mismatch. Think about saying, "I'm fine," when your tone drops and your shoulders slump. What your date hears isn't reassurance. They hear, "Something's wrong." People are wired to pick up on these subtle signals. When your voice and body language align, you become more authentic, more trustworthy. Matching your tone to your body language isn't just about avoiding mixed signals. It's about creating harmony in your communication. If you're excited, let your eyes light up. let your voice rise with energy. If you're sharing something intimate, soften your voice, lean in slightly, show vulnerability. This alignment helps the other person feel safe, understood, and connected to you. Listening and responding are just as important as speaking. Being captivating isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you respond. When you mirror someone's emotions in your tone, you create connection. If your date shares an exciting story, don't just reply with words, match their energy. Say, "Are you serious? That's awesome!" with genuine enthusiasm. Your raised tone amplifies the bond, showing that you are present, engaged, and sharing their joy. On the other hand, if your date is sharing something personal or difficult, soften your tone, slow your pace, and show empathy. Even a simple, "I see, that must have been tough," delivered with care, can make someone feel truly heard and supported. These moments of emotional mirroring build trust and intimacy, making you someone people want to be around. Now, let's talk about the small details, the tiny tweaks that can make a huge impact. Smiling while speaking naturally warms your tone. You might not realize it, but a smile is audible. It lifts your voice, adds brightness, and makes you sound approachable. Soft, natural laughter, never forced, signals comfort and authenticity. It tells your date that you're enjoying yourself, that the conversation isn't just a performance. Flowing speech that isn't rushed helps put the other person at ease. When your words come out smoothly, with natural pauses and gentle emphasis, among this, the conversation feels effortless. There's no sense of pressure or urgency, just two people sharing a moment. Above all, be authentic. Nothing kills attraction faster than sounding fake, rehearsed, or insincere. If you're nervous, it's okay to admit it. If you're excited, let it show. People are drawn to genuine emotion, to voices that reflect real feelings. Even something as simple as saying, I see, in the right tone can make someone feel truly valued. It's not just the words, it's the feeling behind them. So, what's the takeaway? Dating isn't just about looks. Your tone, your pacing, your small details, they shape how someone feels around you. Slow down, use emphasis, embrace pauses, match your voice to your body language. Listen with empathy and respond with sincerity. And always stay authentic. That's the secret to sounding irresistible. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to light up a room, why they make everyone feel comfortable and drawn to them, it's often because of these small details. They know how to use their voice to create emotion, to build trust, and to leave a lasting impression. You can do the same, not by changing who you are, but by becoming more aware of how you speak and how you make others feel. Let's break down a few practical tips to help you master your tone and speaking style on your next date. Before you even say a word, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, smile gently, and let your mind focus on the person in front of you. When you greet them, let that warmth shine through. Say, "Hey, it's great to see you," with genuine enthusiasm. Let your voice reflect your excitement and curiosity. As the conversation unfolds, pay attention to your pacing. If you feel yourself rushing, slow down. Let your words breathe. Pause after important sentences, giving your date time to respond, to smile, to feel. When you share a story or compliment, emphasize the words that matter. Instead of saying, "You look nice," try, "You look really nice tonight." That extra emphasis shows that you mean it, that you're present and attentive. Listen as much as you speak. When your date shares something, match their tone. If they're passionate, let your voice rise with theirs. If they're thoughtful, slow down and reflect that mood. Repeat back what you hear, not verbatim, but in your own words, with your own feeling. Say things like, "Wow, that sounds amazing," or I can totally see why you'd feel that way. These responses build rapport, making your date feel seen and appreciated. Don't be afraid of silence. Sometimes the most meaningful moments happen in the pauses. After sharing something personal, let a gentle silence linger. Make eye contact, smile, and let your words hang in the air. These pauses aren't awkward, they're opportunities for connection. Watch your body language too. Are you leaning in, making eye contact, nodding along? Is your posture relaxed and open? These signals reinforce what your voice is saying, creating a seamless experience. If you say, I'm really interested in what you're saying, but your arms are crossed, the message gets lost. But when your body and voice align, you become magnetic. Let's talk about authenticity. It's tempting to rehearse lines or mimic someone else's style, but the most attractive voices are the ones that reflect real emotion. If you're shy, let that softness show in your tone. If you're bold, let your energy shine. You don't have to be perfect, just real. Authenticity builds trust, making every word feel meaningful. Remember, the small details matter. A gentle laugh, a warm smile, a thoughtful pause, all these things add up. They create a sense of intimacy, making your date feel special. Even simple phrases like, I really enjoy talking with you, delivered with sincerity, can make a lasting impression. As you continue to practice these skills, you'll notice a shift. Not just in how others respond to you, but in how you feel about yourself. You'll become more confident, more present, more aware of the energy you bring to every conversation. Your voice will become a tool for connection, a way to share your true self with those around you. So, as you prepare for your next date, focus on the details. Slow down, use emphasis, embrace pauses, and let your voice reflect your genuine feelings. Match your tone to your body language, listen deeply, and respond with care. Smile when you speak, laugh when you feel joy, and always be authentic. These are the secrets to sounding irresistible and to building connections that last. If this message helped you realize how powerful tone and speaking style are in dating, don't forget to subscribe. In the next videos, I'll share the exact phrases that leave a lasting impression on a first date and which tones actually kill attraction. Subscribe now and let's level up your communication skills together. With the right tone and speaking style, you're not just making conversation, you're making magic.